Good morning and welcome back, my future fellow millionaires and my day traders. Guys, we are currently live right now on YouTube and we have been going live for a few days straight. We're gonna go live every single day, as well as we're gonna, of course, go live on our Discord. The only issue is the audio control. But anyways, we're gonna see how much money we can make today. Market's about to literally open in 30 seconds. As you guys see, New York City session opens for me at 6:30 a.m. What time does it open for you guys? Are you guys also on the west side, or are you guys on the east side where you can sleep in just a little bit? Either way, we got our coffee ready. We're gonna see how much money we can make. And guys, if you guys want to be watching these lives, please tune in. They're gonna be fun. We're gonna drop stocks. We're gonna trade every single day, and we're gonna see how we do this. So right now, I'm gonna quickly chart since I'm kind of late. Just want to quickly do this intro and let's see how much money we can make today, guys. So we took our first trade on live and it was a loss. And as you guys can see here, let's break it down real quick. Just show you guys what I took, what I was looking at, and how you guys can learn from even my mistakes as well. So what I tried to take was very simply a break and retest of these previous highs, not only just on the lower time frame being the 5 and the 3 minutes. Let me actually put back on my orders so you guys can see where my trades were. And as you guys can see, those are my trades here. So I did literally just slap a 3-minute entry on a pullback here, expected it to bounce here, except it immediately went all the way down to a stop. So we got stopped out there our first trade, and on the 1 hour time frame it even looked good too, being that nice bounce. Pulled back here, rejected a little bit of course, and then at the 1 hour it was very strong, lots of buys, and it still has lots of buyer volume in the 1 hour. It's just that of course we're gonna have to wait for another entry. Maybe it will do it again, but way over here. We'll see what we can take on the next trade, but first trade so far of the day, a loss. Yo, shout out to the gang, bro. They pulled up, they showed up, and they's here. So guys, we took 2 trades on our funded account here, and I'm gonna show you guys those trades. We took 1 loss, 1 win, and guys, we took it both on live. First trade we took was an $80 loss. I tried to take a break and retest as you guys saw earlier, and then on the second trade, which was on gold, a very simple, quick scalp, and I even called out on live, but I told people on live, I said, guys, don't take this trade. I'm literally scalping, and I don't recommend it. So I did enter, and it actually did have some drawdown of like 30 bucks, I think, at one point. Then it went in favor. We saw a nice $100, which is how it put my account, which I'll show you guys on the funded that we just got here last night. So we try to run it up a little bit to just literally $10. Reason why, again, was because I literally took 1 loss of 1 win today on live. That was super fun. You guys can see the trades here. And I just want to say, if you guys want to hop on, I'm going to literally do it again. We're going to go live. That shit was hella fun. So I hope to see you guys in there for tomorrow's live and make some money.